everybody, and welcome to another video. Oh, that's so loud. Oh my goodness, that's so loud. Clash Royale. Oh yeah, big update for me, just me. I got the tornado. Guys, look. With 3 elixir. Oh yeah, it's on my deck. Hey yo. Okay, guys, what shall I put in? Tornado, nah. Level 6. Whoa! Wowzers, look at this tornado. If I just do this, I love that noise. This guy's a building. This guy loves his buildings. No offense, I hate this guy. What? He's so annoying. Now I can take out that. Ha ha. No, I can't. Magic. I love the wizard. It's like whistles. If that works. Fire. Fire. He's not taken down the tower I have. That's his first card. K. So I know what he's gonna have next. A lot of things. That was good. That was yes. Should have used it differently, but that's all I could really do. Guys, help me. My first battle is so annoying. This guy is so annoying. Guys, do 10 seconds. Just 10 little seconds. I just need to 4, 3, 2, 1. Booyah! I've been. That was a GG. That was good. I want that. Elixir collector instead of goblin barrel. That's 3.4 elixir. Let's just wait for that. What? I hate the zap. You harsh, man. You are harsh. Hello, you are harsh. Everybody. I thought that was legendary. Ooh. Let's go mad with my elixir collectors. He's a mini burger. I need 8. Go. Go Chihuahua back. Go Chihuahua. Another. Thank goodness. Elixir collectors are so good. Why didn't I use them before? I love them. I hurt them. I hurt them. Ah! No! No, you can't. No! I think they do like 130 health. I need full elixir. Okay, collectors. Give me some elixir. Yes! Oh, elixir collector! Yes! There. Elixir collector. Yes! And a tower. My tower. Not yours. Mine. Ooh, yeah! Go Chihuahua back. Thank you. I seriously want that thing. Because I might win with these. No! Good thing it's sudden death. I love sudden death. They're so good! Oh no! All of them! They're gone! I've no elixir collectors. One can bring more. It's like a baby. So, once they have a mother, they can give more people to the family, can't they? It's like that. Just different. Grabber! Whoa! No, 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 no! Guys, I'm using... Oh, yeah. No, that was so annoying. Guys, I am using the new headset. I love you. He hates me. I'll speed this up. Showtime! We both had the tornado. Guys, this guy was harsh. See? Look! It's a mean. Let's do this. Dynamo! 12 win. 12 wins. Let's try and do 12 wins. Don't know why that says that. I'm trying to get that other elixir collector so I can mirror. No! Stupid! So get your own deck, of course. Yes! Go on, pancakes of destruction! Yeah! Do some damage! No, you don't. Oh. Well, that was a waste. Come on, elixir collectors. Give some babies. Give me some babies. There we go. Give me babies. Yeah! The babies are coming! Not my baby. I don't have a baby. I'm a boy. Go! Guys, I'm doing as much damage as I can to these horrid things. No, no, no! Not my elixir collectors. They're good! And like this day. It's been horrible this day. No, just kidding. Oh my goodness, it's really loud. I thought I turned it down. Oh yeah, then I turned it up, didn't I? So dumb. Hey, stop! Well. I've not won one.